circle. See here. In each and every circle, you have to show one thing. Okay? Like that. Listen here. ये देखो. Question number 3. First, draw a circle and mark. For the A part, you have to draw small circle. And first is A is center. A is center. So you have to put point here and write O. So in center, write O. Clear? B part, radius. Again, you make a small circle. You all these things do in the interleaf copy. Interleaf page. Okay, put here, write O, A. So write here, radius, OA. Clear? Like that. Center O, radius OA. Draw in a copy. Yes, Bhargavi.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ जी बोलो. Yes.
मैम ये जो आप बता रहे हो कि एक एक सर्कल करके बनाना है, मैम हम एक ही बड़ा सर्कल बना के ये सब
You
नहीं लिख
can
सकते?
make one circle and show all the things in that, but it's difficult, or means first you make different. When you learn it, then you make a one circle and show all the things in that.
ओके
Okay?
मैम.
हाँ.
ओके मैम.
For your convenience, I'll make the separate circles. Yes.
ओके मैम.
Yes. Next girl. हाँ जी.
Ma'am, right now I'm not having the interleaf notebook book. So, ma'am, can I do this work in rough notebook?
Yes, do.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Supriya. Okay. Draw first center and radius. First you draw different circles, separate circles. Okay. First you draw separate circle and write everything. After that, at the end, we draw one circle. We do both the ways. Okay. We do in both the ways. Drawn. Girls, only drawing is not important. You have to write down center O, the name of the center and name of the radius, so that it is judged that it is a radius. OA is a radius, O is a center, like that. And learn the spellings of these. Any day, I'll take a dictation also for important words. In any way, you can do it in paper exam. In one circle or in other small circles. It's your choice. Okay, see the next. Third is a diameter. Draw a circle. This is O. AOB, right? Diameter is equal to AOB. Okay. This is C part. D part, sector. This is your center O. Okay. A, B, like that. Okay. Now, here sector this AB, AOB, okay, AOB is minor sector, and BOA like this, BOA arrow ऐसे जा रहा है ना, BOA is a major sector, okay. AOB is a minor, this is minor, arrow is like this, AOB, okay, AOB is minor, and BOA is a major. AOB is minor and BOA is a major. Yes, Ruhani.
मैम सेकंड पार्ट
Unmute.
का क्या है?
Yes.
मैम सेकंड पार्ट का
What second part? Means
मैम रेडियस.
radius I have drawn earlier in previous page. This is C and D. Radius, half of the circle.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Bhumika.
यस मैम.
Yes, बच्चे बोलो.
मैम एओबी का तो समझ आ गया कि ये माइनर सेक्टर था, लेकिन फिर बीओए मेजर सेक्टर कैसे हो गया?
बच्चा, see here, AOB is a less distance. Okay, and BOA
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
major distance. BOA like that, na? Is a major distance. Long
मैम
distance.
ब्लू वाला अलग है क्या?
I have put arrow. I have, huh?
ब्लू वाला अलग है?
Yes, blue wala AOB is a minor. This is a minor sector.
ओके मैम.
Minor means chota. Major means
Yes,
bada
ma'am.
area. Danak, please left it and then join again. Rest of the girls see the screen. If you have a problem, then left. Always sit in your connection network area. Yes. Okay. Understood the sector. AOB is a minor sector. BOA is a major sector. All done? बना लिया? Shall I move further? Okay. Next is, okay, bacha. E part is segment. You have to draw again small circles. First you draw small circles. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 circles you draw. Okay. Then next is a segment. This is your center O. This is your segment here. We write AB here. So this portion is a minor segment. इसको भी आप ऐसे ही लिख सकते हो. AB is a minor segment. Okay. AB is a minor segment. BA major segment. Means when we move A to B is a minor, small, है ना? When we move B to A, उल्टा जाएंगे जब हम B से इस तरफ वापस नहीं आएंगे, हम B से ऐसे वापस आएंगे. B to A is a major segment. Minor and major. This is major. F. Make a circle. The points in the interior and points in the exterior. F and G together. Interior. First you write this O. P, Q. Here R. Here S. So point right. The points in the interior. P, O, Q. And exterior points R and S. Do fast. Points in the interior means which are in the circle. Points are exterior, which are outside the circle. Written. Written the E part. F and G part together. Make a circle. This is center O. P, Q, R, S. Okay. So write down points, interior points. Interior points P, O, Q. Exterior points R, S. Write down. Interior points P, O, Q. Exterior points R, S. Yes, unmute yourself, Supriya and Ruhani.
मैम हम कोई भी लिख सकते हैं, जैसे आपने पी क्यू पीओ क्यू
हाँ जी।
लिखा, मैम हम ए ओ बी भी लिख
Yes.
सकते हैं.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, you
ma'am.
can write it. Any alphabet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे बोलो.
मैम
Yes, सुप्रिया.
आपने ये एक्सटीरियर पॉइंट्स और इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स में मैम जो अभी करवाया, मैम ये एक बार फिर से समझा दो.
Interior are which are inside the circle, exterior which are outside the circle.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Javish. Unmute yourself.
मैम हम एक ही सर्कल में दोनों इंटीरियर और एक्सटीरियर दिखा सकते हैं?
I have shown. See here.
ओके मैम।
F and G part I have done together. Harpriya, yes, unmute yourself.
मैम जो सेंटर हो है हम उसको इंटीरियर पॉइंट्स में काउंट करते हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, इंटीरियर है ना वो तो। Mute yourself. Over. Now see the H part. H part and arc. Make a circle. This is your O. Right here. Make a point here. A, B, C. Okay. This is your arc. ABC. Okay. So you write arc is equal to ABC, or you can write any alphabet. ऐसे बनाना ऊपर आपने. This is a sign of arc. Draw arc. Yes, arc is a part of a circle. Any side, yes, any side of the circle. You can draw arc any side of circle. ऊपर भी कर सकते हो draw, side में भी कर सकते हो. Okay, done. Now we have done this in different circles. Okay. Now I explain you in one circle. Now see all of you. Make a big circle. Okay. Make a big circle. This is a center O. Okay. So you have to write it here. Center is equal to O. A. Radius. You can draw one by one and write down. OA. Then do this. Write B here. Diameter. BOA. Okay. Rest you write yourself. I have no space here. Then draw like this. Okay. Write any alphabet. PQ. POQ. यहाँ लिख देती हूँ मैं. POQ is a minor segment. Minor sector. Is a minor sector. Okay. You can write here down. You will not write in the diagram. POQ is a minor sector. Okay. POQ is a sector. Then here, CD is a arc, segment, minor segment, CD, like that. CD is a segment. Right, CD segment. Dot MN. MN are the interior points. MN are the interior points. ST are the exterior points. ST are the exterior points. Okay, then I'll write here arc. I'll write one alphabet here, X. So I'll show X, XPQ. This is arc. XPQ is arc. XPQ is a arc. Navleen, join again. DC. Yes, DC is a major segment. Good, Krishita. CD is a minor and DC is a major. Okay, XPQ is a arc. So it will very hodgepodge. So that's why I have done with the small circles differently. Okay. Okay, Navleen, good. Drawn. So which one is better? One circle or different circles? Which one is better? One. Okay, Jagrati. If you draw in one, then you can draw, but write everything down. A, B, C, D. Okay. Different circles. Very good. Okay. Those who have comfortable in that, in different circles, draw different. Those who are comfortable in one circle, you can draw. But you have to write down center O, radius OA. You have to write down. Okay. Yes, Samvedna. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Vachi.
we are a segment.
Segment. This is a segment. CD is a segment.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now those who have done, do the question number 4. In the given figure, O is the center. Shall I rub it? Yes, Bani, unmute yourself. Bhumika, unmute yourself. Navleen, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, where you have marked the arc?
Arc is XPQ. Yellow one, XPQ.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes.
मैम इसमें मेजर सेगमेंट कहाँ पे होगी?
देखो, CD is a minor, DC is a major.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, here see question number 4. Question number 4. Your circle is this. Okay. This is your diameter. O is the center. This P here. B here. Okay. A here. Now, first is name the following 3 radii. A part, 3 radii. Radii means a radius. Okay. So, what are 3 radii? OA, OB, and OP. Write down. OA, these are the radii. OA, OB, OA, OB, and OP. These are the 3 radius. Okay, radii from which I start from the center. B, 2 chords. two chords. There are two chords. Okay, I have not drawn this one. Yes, these are the two chords, AP and PB. Yes, AP and PB. These are the two chords. AP and PB are the two chords. Okay, C is diameter. One diameter, AB. Yes, diameter is equal to AB. Diameter is AB. AOB, or you write AB. Okay, done? Now this chapter is finished. So practice this chapter. Okay, and learn all the definitions which are here. Read the summary. Read the summary points, each and every point of summary. Read it. Do multiple choice questions. Fill in the blanks. True, false. Review exercise में true, false हैं. Filling the blanks हैं. Do that. Okay, practice this full chapter. And maintain your copies. Yes, Anasvi, unmute yourself. Bhargavi, Neha,
Yes, ma'am.
Navli.
मैम
Yes.
कॉपीज चेक मैम स्कूल में कॉपीज चेक
Yes. I will tell you to give your copies in school any day. Okay. Then you have to come and give your copies when I intimate you. Okay. So till then, you have to complete your copies.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम टर्म 1 सिलेबस
Ma'am, question.
Term 2. I don't want term 1, term 2.
Ma'am, question 3 में आर्क कहाँ थी?
Question 3 में आर्क वो येलो
Yes,
वाली
ma'am.
थी PQ के साथ.
मैम पी क्यू के बीच में एक और आपने कोई पॉइंट डाला था?
हाँ at the side.
मैम क्या मैम
Where is term 3? Huh? Unit 3 है. Yes, unit 3 and rest of the chapters. Term 2.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to do 10, 11 chapter in interleaf copy.
Yes. Geometry work है ना?
Okay,
You have
ma'am.
to do in interleaf.
10, 11.
Geometry work. You have to do. Geometry work. Every chapter of geometry you have to do in the interleaf copy.
Okay, ma'am.
Diagrams on the plain page and written work in your line page in front of that. And do neatly. Draw neatly all the diagrams with pencil. Don't use pen in that diagram page. Yes.
मैम आपने पिछले क्वेश्चन में आग गलत डाली थी.
Question number 3 में.
यस मैम आर्क कॉर्ड के ऊपर वाली साइड जो होती है उसमें होती है ना?
जरूरी नहीं है बेटा, कहीं भी डाल सकते हो. If you draw a circle,
यस मैम.
आर्क आप इधर भी डाल सकते हो. P, Q, R. This is also our arc. Or you can write here C, D, E. Where it is. ठीक है? Anywhere.
ओके मैम.
कहीं भी आप डाल सकते हो.
मैम हमने ये 3 ही नंबर कहते साइड के नाम लिखने हैं. हम
Any number you can write.
नो मैम, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि हम जैसे एक ही लाइन, वो वाली लाइन को डार्क कर दे, ऊपर या नीचे की लाइन को डार्क
हम्म।
करके पॉइंट डाल के उधर ही आर लिख दें, कुछ भी लिख दे, तो मैम वो एक ही लिखना है या तीन ही लिखने हैं लाइन के अकॉर्डिंगली?
आपने इसमें लिखने हैं if you take this arc PQR, then you have to write arc PQR like that.
ओके मैम.
Rest of the girls, mute yourself. Yes, Saman, Aima, unmute yourself. Saman and Aima.
यस मैम।
Yes, bolo.
मैम हमारे फाइनल एग्जाम स्कूल में होंगे?
We will see after this. First, you concentrate in your studies. Whatever is the
Okay.
information, we'll convey you. Minor and major arc. Okay. See here. This is your circle. Okay. This is your center O. If I draw P, Q, R. Okay. This is your minor arc. P, Q, R, because you are going like this. Clear? P, Q, R is your minor arc. ठीक है? If I write here S here, ठीक है? So P Q R ये आपका बन जाएगा minor arc. If you talk about major, then R S P here. R S P. You take the 3 alphabets only. R S P is your major. Is your major arc. Okay. Major means the larger area. जहां पे larger area use हो रहा है आपका, वो आपका major arc. Arc होंगे 3 ही alphabets. R, take R, S and P is your major arc. Okay. Yes, Pavni.
Yes, ma'am, that you said that we have to give copies in Monday. So I am currently.
Girls, you don't take tension. Only you have to complete the work. Whatever information is there, what we want, we will share in the group.
No, ma'am, not
Only.
that. Ma'am, I am
Yes.
saying that I am not currently in Jammu.
Huh?
I am not currently in Jammu.
Where were you?
Ma'am, Punjab.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, I can give you the work by photos.
Okay, I'll see what to do.